Hello, my name is Darika Asakova on InstaForex TV with the latest Forex news. The investors are worried that worsening problems of Greece may rise into the deepest debt crisis for the whole Eurozone history. These concerns emerged after that Fitch Ratings agency reduced the Greek credit rating on Tuesday. As a result, it appeared to be lowest rating among 16 Eurozone countries. The Europe expects that the government budget deficit may be slightly lower than 3% of GDP in 2009, but it will surge sharply in 2010 and reach almost 5% of GDP. In 2011, the indicator will reduce to about 4.6% of the gross domestic product. Thus, the ECB representatives consider that the Eurozone is to move below 3% by the end of 2011. According to Maastricht Treaty of the European Union, the country's budget deficit must not exceed 3% of GDP. Germany was enacted by the European sanctions to bring the budget deficit rate below 3% by 2013. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Thank you for watching us and goodbye.